Hello and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host once again, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you for joining me. For those Canadian viewers, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you had a really great, thankful and appreciative Thanksgiving with your close family and friends. We're going to be talking about how to save money during a home renovation. Now, you want to make sure that when you are doing a home renovation, there are some key steps and some really key points to help you with a successful home renovation. I have done hundreds of home renovations, new builds, and also buy and sell properties in respect to renovation profits. So we're going to talk to you about sticking to a budget and creating a budget. Just because you're doing a budget doesn't mean you are, cheaping out or, reducing your opportunity of what you want to obtain. It is so very important to do a budget, my friends. I cannot stress to you how important it is to make sure that you get a budget from a qualified general contractor or project manager if you are doing a permitted work or a substantial renovation work that requires a licensed professional such as an electrician or a plumber and so forth, and it's in the tens of thousands. So make sure that you do a budget, because if you don't do a budget and you run into areas of concerns and you don't have that money put aside, you're going to run into a problem. Now, a good thing with a construction budget is it allows you a portion to enter a number amount in a special place called contingency, which is usually the rate is about 10 to 20% you will use on your budget. And that contingency is to cover any surprises, especially for those things behind the walls or measurement issues or so forth, okay? Pay cash. Try to do your investment renovation that grows the value of your property by paying cash if at all possible, because if you're using credit cards, you are paying interest on that credit card and you're paying more than the renovation is actually worth. So that's very, very important. Again, if that is not an option, do a mixture of cash and then borrow against low interest credits such as a home equity line of credit. And if you don't have a HELOC, which is also known as a home equity line of credit, you want to pick up the phone and call us, because right now HELOC rates are extremely low. Take your time. It is so important to take your time and don't rush. In terms of picking, your materials, picking your vendors, picking your suppliers, picking your general contractor or your laborers or your tradesperson, depending the scale of your project. Take your time, do some research, get references, visit other properties, visit showrooms, and so forth, just to make sure that you have covered all avenues of what you want to do to make your renovation as beautiful as possible, but at the same time affordable. Now, balance high and low end materials. Now, a lot of people, when they do renovations, especially if they own their homes, get really emotionally attached with what they want. Remember, make sure you invest in something that's going to give you a return, and try not to buy everything expensive. And at the end of the day, the durability versus a low to medium grade material serves the same appearance, can do wonders in your budget and also for your satisfaction. So it's very, very important that you do that budget, you take your time, try to pay everything as cash as possible, not borrow high, and find a medium in terms of low to high end materials of what do you really want to splurge on versus not splurging on. Call us now. Our mortgage rates are low if you need to renovate today or do any major constructions. The BridgGroup is the home of all of your financial needs. Take care.